All right, good Saturday to you. Hope everyone is doing well. About 6:23 in the morning on March 11th. You know, I got this $9,000 EG4 6-gun battery server rack, and I wanted a little bit more monitoring. It comes with BMS software, which I'm getting used to. It's good. It's not great, but I mean, it's monitoring stuff right off the batteries. But I wanted something a little bit extra. So what I did is I bought, and you may have seen this in my other video, I bought a Victron SmartShunt 500 for this system, and I got it wired in with my other shunt on the negative side. And it just gives me a little bit more information to look at. And I got it set up on my old phone here. It's a Bluetooth type system, and I have it hooked up with the cord also. The laptop, but it turns out I didn't need that, and I'll get down there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But long story short, let's take a quick look at it. And I'm using these Blue Sea Systems covers to help protect yourself and be safe. And I mounted the shunt right on there, as you can see. That red and black zip cord is the power. This is actual temperature sensor wire that is used to power this unit. And as you can see, the little light's blinking right there because I'm connected to my old phone. But this is the old Midnight Solar Whiz-Bang Junior shunt that goes up to the midnights, and just cleaned everything up. I use solid copper strapping for the negative. See there? Over there. And then over there. And that turned out freaking great. Instead of using 4-aught cable, I just made bus bars. Just drilled a hole and cleaned them up and put them in. No big deal. Okay, let's get up here to the shunt, or the software. First off, these are not cheap, $130. You can get them on Amazon but you also have to buy I bought all this stuff too, or I bought this temperature sensor wire here, which also was a power, and I also bought the cable dongle. I think that's what that is right there. I'm not sure. Anyway, here's what the batteries are reading off their BMS software. This is Signature Solar's EG4 battery server software stuff in there. And overnight I got about 18.5 kilowatt hours of stored power out of this battery bank, which is freaking great. I'm still sitting at between 30 and 33% state of charge on all 6 batteries. And all the voltages are, within 0.03, 0.04 volts, 4/100ths of a volt. So these things are staying in parallel, which is really awesome. Now, one shunt I have up here, of course, is the Whiz-Bang Junior. And this says I'm sucking down about, 28, 30 amps. I got the coffee pot on right now in the morning, about 34% state of charge. So kind of sort of jiving. Within 5% or so is not too bad. And then down here, this is the new SmartShunt from Victron. And guess what? It's showing about the same. It even shows time remaining, which is really cool about this app, is that it shows consumed amp hours. However, I need to convert to kilowatt hours, and if there's a way, let me know. I like it shows consumed amp hours, what's left in the tank, and also the time remaining is cool too. But I really want this to show kilowatt hours left. Battery voltages are pretty close and all that. Let's go over here. You see where it says energy right here? I think this is total. And if this were to update every day, that would be really cool. But I got this on my old phone right here, and it seems to be working pretty darn good. Glad I got this. It's kind of getting everything married up, happy, working together, and all that. So this is a 48 volt system, as I said before, and I got 9,000 watts in solar panels in the backyard and saw about 8,300 last night. or I'm sorry, yesterday when I was charging up, and it got a full charge, and even sat in the steam tent using that high power steamer, you know, just normal, just doing stuff normally. So there you have it. Pretty darn happy with having monitoring systems. I essentially have 4 systems or applications or software or whatever to monitor this big battery bank. I got the BMS, I've got the Whiz-Bang Junior monitoring stuff, what's going on. I got the Victron SmartShunt going on, and I also have the Classic Monitor app. So I got 4 things going on here to monitoring these batteries, and they're all jiving. They're all saying about the same damn thing, which really makes me happy. So, and right down here, I just put the cover back on that right there, and we are good to go. All right, have a good Saturday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.